for this area from Congress.
Congress also.
Gee,
Will you be a leader?
that depends. If I get the ticket, definitely I would love to be, because I think every party needs youth representation in today's time. So it's a must. It's a must, definitely.
Okay, you want to be a leader.
Absolutely, why not? My family is of leaders and I am one. No doubt about it.
Have you any dream about your leadership?
I think dreams come once you achieve something. So we'll talk about that once I have that achievement in my hand.
So,
Yeah.
you have leadership qualities.
You can see I am on the ground with you. I'm a doctor and I was just in the OT. I finished my OT and I'm here.
But politics and OTs is quietly two parallel lines, they never meet.
Why do you feel so?
I think it's a very different. Basically,
Doctor should be a part of everyday life in everybody's personal profession, because you never know when you meet a patient.
yeah.
Maybe today your reports are fine and God bless, it should be like that, but you never know when a person collapses. A doctor never sees that he's in the hospital. We don't get patients only in the hospital.
Yeah.
We can get them in day-to-day life. And I think the more the youth is educated about things, the more they act on those things. So I think the very first thing that you need to do is be educated about the environment that you're living in, and secondly, support in whatever way you can. This is my way of supporting the environment.
Everyone said one thing is they said the politics is a dirty game.
I don't believe so. I think it's you who are dirty or you who are clean. It's not the profession. You meet all kinds of people in every profession in the world.
Yeah.
It's on you. If you are good, the profession is good. The profession is great. If you are bad, then no matter where you go, you're going to make it dirty.
You think you are example for it?
For what? For a good one?
Yes.
I think that's for the public to decide once I land in. That's not for me to decide.
When you start your election career,
I have already contested. Let's see where things take me and where do I fly.
now you are supporting Mr. Ojla.
Yes, absolutely. So is my father, so is my family, and so is everybody who's living in the area.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you are participating in that election.
Absolutely, I'm a voter. It is my right and I should be doing it diligently.
So you are with the Congress.
Yes, absolutely, 100%.
What do you want to say about other parties?
I don't think there's anything to be mentioned about anybody else, because I think, once you start jumping into the adult world, you start looking at things very differently. You start being practical about things. So you need to know that, are you really happy with the contestant that you're gonna choose? And if you are, you should support them. And I am supporting the person I want to see as the face of the election.
It's a game of, it's very different ideas game. So someone said it's good, someone said it's bad. So where the politics stand or where is youth stand?
See, the youth in today's world wants change from what is already happening. The amount of inflation that has occurred, the amount of price ranges that we're looking at today, living is so difficult and expensive that we really need to take a step forward to decide what we want for our future. We don't want to shift countries for a better future. We want to make that future right here in India. So for that, we need to be diligent and we need to work towards what we really want.
If you become a good politician, so what will your first step?
I think my first step that I already say is that everything that occurs in the area, every help that anyone needs, my family is there for it. But the only additional help that I can do is give them a free consultation.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is all. I can give them a free health checkup. That is the additional thing that I'm ready to do.
That's what Aam Aadmi Party is doing.
See, exactly. Now, where you have to understand is that people are portraying something else on the front and things are not happening like that. If you look at the patient load in the hospitals today, there are so many people who still cannot afford to step into a hospital. Why? Because basic necessities are not available. And I think that one thing, that little donation or that little, goal should be for everybody out there to help as much as is possible.
Will you do?
I am already.
You have any idea of that? Because it's very expensive and medical is very expensive in Amritsar.
See, medical field is expensive, no doubt about it, but I think there is nothing that a person decides and cannot achieve in life.
As a doctor, will you do something for society?
I am already doing, I'm stepping in the field. Isn't that enough? I've given my youth to it. I'm studying all the time. What else does the nation want from me? Tell me. A doctor studies most of their lives to be where they are.
Yeah.
So I think the dedication comes from there.
As a doctor, as a politician, which line you want to choose?
I think the future will decide. It's not on me. It's on what comes at me. And I can be both. You know, a woman can be a homemaker and can rule the world. So I don't have to choose.
Yeah.
I can be both.